again, maybe something I've done before, but I'm always attracted to a plant when it's in bloom. And wanted to see what all the scuttle was about, since these things are loaded with bees. It's an early bloomer, and not a lot blooming right now, and the bees are active. This is Prunus yedoensis, or Yoshino Cherry, and there's one subtly different, and that's Prunus yedoensis Akebono, and that's a pink. It's got pink hints. It's not like eye-popping pink, but very subtle pink. Habit, they're pretty similar. Growth, height, this is a 25, 30-foot cherry. A little bit more open than some as it matures. These are incredibly well grown. Prune very well and have a very nice form. Fall color is going to be a yellow, maybe a little bit of orange red in it, but nondescript as far as fall color goes. It will get fairly large, so when I say 25, 30 feet, your spread's probably going to be about 20 feet. Pretty one-dimensional in terms of just early spring. More loose than you look at something like an okami or a quanzon, much more formal and tight. Snow goose, very tight. So I just wanted to get this while it was blooming. Again, very subtly different is Akebono, but it does truly have highlights of pink, whereas this is pure white. Fruit is sort of nondescript, very small, not a nuisance. Couple of insect and disease problems, but nothing I would call, nothing that would prevent you from planting this tree. I mean, they're pretty sturdy in the landscape. Full sun, well-drained soil. They do not like wet feet. And I don't know if you can see the bees doing their thing on this, but they're pretty much all over the place. Prunus yedoensis, Yoshino Cherry. And you'd see this one in Washington or Branch Brook Park. It's a nice tree for a flowering tree, early flowering tree.